May tanong dito si Ma'am Janet. Dok, bakit po ang result ko ng HbA1c ay 6.7? Pero sabi ng doktor, hindi daw muna ako resetahan ng gamot. Well, in the context of 6.7, kailangan ko din tanungin, ginamit ba yung HbA1c for diagnosis or ginamit ba siya for monitoring? Ano ba yung use ni HbA1c? Sa Philippines kasi, the way of diagnosing, hindi pa siya sapat as HbA1c. It's more on monitoring lang HbA1c. Madalas yung fasting blood sugar or OGTT yung paggamit natin for diagnosis. Sa abroad, HbA1c pwede na as long as standardized. Pero sa 6.7 kasi though yung cutoff is 6.5, hindi naman ito, if in the Philippine setting, counted muna, no? Siguro the best way for that to be recognized din is correlate mo yan sa history mo. May family history ka ba ng diabetes? May symptoms ka ba ng diabetes? Okay? Kung wala namang symptoms, well, that would be more of a basis, no, for the clinical judgment ng doctor mo. And again, I'm not your doctor. It's best that you ask your doctor kung diabetic ka or hindi. Thus, we don't treat the lab results. We treat the patient. Okay? Yun ang pinaka-importante na makuha niyong advice tungkol dito. HbA1c is just a number. The best way of addressing this is addressing your concerns, your symptoms. Okay?